All right, in this video, I am going to demonstrate the SecuPower, boy, I hope I'm saying that right, 5-port desktop USB charger. So this is the charger right here. As you can see, it has 5 ports. I actually have a USB cable plugged in to the bottom port. It doesn't really matter which port you plug anything into, and I'll talk about that in a minute. It does have a little stand, which is kind of nice, and I'll try and do this left-handed if I can. Difficult, I'm right-handed. So there's a little stand there that you can use, and that just kind of props it up. So you see I just set it in the little stand. That holds it real nice to put on a table or something. I keep this one in my bedroom by the bed and a little nightstand here because it's real easy for me to charge things overnight. So for instance, this cable here, if you were to follow it all the way to the end, let me grab, this is the actual end, that's just a standard USB cable, and that would plug into my smartphone, and I would be able to charge that. At the same time, I might use a cable like this and plug this into another port. This is actually my Fitbit charger, and I could have that going at once, and then I might get something else going, for instance, I use a portable speaker, and when this thing runs low on battery, I'll let that charge overnight. So yes, it's a 5-port charger. That doesn't sound all that exciting. What I really like about this one is that each of these ports are controlled by an intelligent chip inside, and that they will determine what power is sent to the device that you're plugging into it. So for my smartphone, it doesn't send as much power to it as it would if I connected, let's say, my iPad to it. And you don't have to worry about which port does which power. I believe there's 10 amps total power available, and that amounts to, well, it doesn't quite divide out evenly, but you can go up to 2.4 amps per port. So you can be charging your iPad in one, the speaker in another, the Fitbit in the next one, and let's say my smartphone in a fourth port. All of them are going to get the exact power that they need to charge the device properly. So that is one of the cool things about this. It's also very small, which means it's extremely easy to pick up and throw in your travel bag, throw in your suitcase, and when you get to a hotel, if you've got limited space on ports, you can just plug this thing in, or even to a friend's or house or family or wherever you end up staying, just plug this thing in and you've immediately got room for 5 ports. That may be enough for your multiple devices, or if you got a family that has a bunch of phones and tablets that all need to be charged, they can all share it with one little device. Again, this is the SecuPower 5-port desktop USB charger. I'm going to put a link to this also to Amazon where you can purchase this. It is carried on Amazon.com.